Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Are you that home baker that wants to upgrade the look of your homemade pastries and desserts? Then the Kootek piping bag set with tips is going to help you take your desserts to the next level. Let me tell you some of the reasons why I really love this set. I love that this set was just perfect for the beginner. I was able to assemble the piping bag and get it filled without even looking at the instructions. There are a variety of tips in this set, and each is engraved with a number that corresponds to the instruction manual. In that instruction manual, you'll notice that they give you a sample of what each filling will look like piped with that particular tip. That saved me a lot of time so that I would choose the right tip when I was doing the different type of pastry. So whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced decorator of pastries and desserts, this piping and tip set is going to make any homemade dessert look impressive, and that's my point of view.